Hi and welcome back. So today I did this look which is my everyday makeup look, and I didn't have used any base, no foundation, no BB cream, no CC cream. So stay tuned and let's get started. So I have just cleansed my skin, and firstly I'm going to use moisturizer. So I'm using spray moisturizer. I'm not using that cream moisturizer because I have to apply sunscreen, so I don't want to layer up my skin. Also, I have oily skin. It might not be looking like that right now because I've just cleansed my face, but yes, I do have oily skin. So after a while my skin gets really oily, so I prefer to use spray moisturizer instead of cream moisturizer. So I'm using this moisturizer from Plum. Because it's a liquid moisturizer, it doesn't feel sticky like sunscreen, which is from Clinique. You're not a foundation or a BB cream person, you don't like to apply any base on your skin, or you think your skin is quite sensitive to apply anything on your face. So what you can do is, for a little brightening effect, you can take a tinted sunscreen. Yes, so nowadays in market there are a lot of brands which provides tinted sunscreen. So you can choose any one of them, like whichever brand you are using or you use. So you can buy it from them. I'm gonna show you, like you can see my face now, and now I'm gonna apply this tinted sunscreen from Clinique, and you can see the results too. So it will give some amount of whitening effect so that my skin doesn't feel dull. I'm taking this sunscreen. So you have to apply it all over your face, and also don't forget your neck area, because then it will look different from your face. So as you can see, after applying this sunscreen, it gives a kind of a whitening effect, tinted effect. So even if I don't want to apply base, I'm good to go. So while going to office, if you don't feel like applying base on regular basis, or you have acne prone skin, or you are not a foundation person, or you don't like to apply anything on your skin, or you feel your skin is sensitive, and you feel applying base every day can harm your skin or something, and using makeup every day, it's not good for your skin. So what you can do is, you can apply a tinted sunscreen. So this will give you some amount of whitening effect, so you don't need much time, and it's light, subtle. I mean, sunscreen is something which you apply every day, right? Even if you're going out for shopping, or to office or anywhere daytime, sunscreen is must. Even if you are at home, you apply sunscreen. So it's something we all have. Moving on to my makeup, first product I'm using is blush from Maybelline. As you can see, it's a dual blush. I think when you apply blush, your face looks very fresh. Moving on to the eyes, I'm using this brow pencil. So I want to make it very natural but little defined, not too much. Not filling it in, I'm just underlining it a little bit. Not too much. I'm just underlining it a little bit, not too much. Just to give it a shape, that's it. I'm gonna finish my eyes with some mascara, just to give length and volume to my lashes. And this one is my favorite. Now moving on to the lips, you can use a nude lipstick or you can use a gloss. I'm not a gloss person, so sometimes I use nude lipstick and sometimes I just want to give a little tint to my lips, but I don't want to apply a lipstick. So I use this. This one is from Nykaa. It's from Nykaa Powder Puff Lippy. So it's kind of give you that tinted effect. It's a powder based lipstick. So now my look is done. As you can see, I've just used 4 to 5 products and that's all. You're good to go. Whether you're going to shopping or you're going to your or college or office, you can do this look. It's quick, easy and simple. You don't need to do anything in it. So I hope you found this video useful and it will work for you too. Thank you for watching.